Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to draw an adorable little sheep together. Let's get started! First, let's draw the sheep's hair. Make those cute, bouncy curls. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Fluffiness is key. Now let's move on to the face. Start with the ears. Make them nice. Next, add 2 big eyes, a small nose, and a smiling mouth. Don't forget to add those cute eyebrows. To give our sheep some character, let's add a little flower in its hair. You can make it any shape you like. Just make sure it's cheerful. Now it's time for the body. Draw a rounded shape underneath the head. Then, let's add 4 little legs. Don't forget to make them cute. Your pink color and let's fill in that flower. A bright pink will make it stand out beautifully. Next, we'll color the hoofs brown. This will give our sheep a nice contrast against its fluffy wool. Color the sheep's face with a cheerful yellow. It adds a sunny vibe to our little friend. Our cute little sheep is all finished. I hope you had fun drawing along with me. Don't forget to share your creations. See you next time.